Your Android phone is in danger right now. Hackers can track you, apps can spy on you, and one wrong setting can destroy your battery in seconds. But today, I'll show you 3 secret Android hacks that can literally save your phone. Most Android users don't even know these exist. But after this video, your phone will be safer, faster, and protected from hidden threats. So listen carefully. Every second matters. First, understand that problem. Your Android collects data every minute. Your location, your activity, your app behavior. Hackers love this. Malicious apps love this. Even big companies track you quietly in the background. That's why your battery drains fast. Your phone becomes slow, and your private data gets exposed without your knowledge. But the worst part, you don't see it happening. Stop hidden background tracking. Step 1, open Settings. Step 2, tap Privacy. Step 3, go to Permission Manager. Step 4, check Location. Step 5, set suspicious apps to Deny or Allow only while using the app. This blocks apps from secretly tracking your real-time location. If you skip this, any app can follow you everywhere without you knowing. Lock your phone from fake apps and malware. Step 1. Open Google Play Store. Step 2. Tap your profile icon. Step 3. Go to Play Protect. Step 4. Make sure Scan Apps with Play Protect is on. This one setting can stop harmful apps before they destroy your data. Many people turn it off by mistake. Don't be one of them. Boost speed and battery by ending hidden processes. Step 1. Open Settings. Step 2. Tap Battery and Device Care, or Battery depending on your phone. Step 3. Tap Memory. Step 4. Tap Clean Now. This removes hidden apps running in the background that drain your battery and slow down your phone. Just 5 seconds can make your phone feel brand new. Most Android users ignore these settings, and that's why their phone slows down, overheats, or gets hacked. Don't wait until something bad happens. Use these 3 hacks today. Protect your phone, your data, and your privacy. If you want more life-saving Android tricks, make sure to like this video, subscribe,